you gonna feed Elmo? Mmm. Yes. Thank you. You gonna have me hold all this stuff? Oh, we'll feed the duck, of course. Of course, we'll feed the duck. And then Maddie's gonna drink out of the cup. What a big girl. Oh, Maddie's not gonna drink out of that cup.
Can I offer anyone anything?
I'm all set. That's my Goofy mug.
What about your cup? Push his paw. I mean, his hand.
His flipper or whatever, his wing.
You could do something with that on the computer, but I don't think it's something you log on to a website.
We'll have to check that out.